Hey guys, let me share with you my experience living in my dream life in Australia. Well, even though this is only for a trial for me in a day, living a farm life far away from busy city life has always been my dream. Is this because I'm too introvert? Maybe.
Oh my god,
Oh
crazy,
my
crazy. I need to
god.
charge my phone.
Luckily, we know someone who owns a massive farm in Victoria and let us stay for a day.
Still have food, yeah. Eat? No, you don't eat it. Why you don't eat it? What do you eat? Tell me what do you eat?
So yeah, it's basically my kind of dream life. This place hasn't been completely built yet, but I really love the ambience here. I guess it's kind of normal life in Australia when people have their second property like this farm that they will try to build them a shed or put a caravan for a weekend house, I guess. It's a beautiful farm life surrounded by the nature and the animals. Of course, alpacas here are my
Oh
favorite.
my god! They just spit on me.
They think they're going to be fed because Tim comes and he puts out the hay and they like that.
Yeah.
But
Hi.
there's plenty of water in this paddock.
Hopefully, in the future, I'll be able to
You
have
feel
a
like I
farm
can
like
touch you. Come
this.
here.
They've got plenty of grass.